Welcome everybody to an episode of Mind Your World. My name is Ryan.
And Judy.
And we're back at it with another episode in store for you. This week's episode, we're going to be covering a camping trip in Yamanashi. Majority of this video, you're going to see a lot of me or maybe some other friends of mine, only because I was the one that went camping. Judy, where were you?
I didn't go. I went to my friend's wedding in Kobe, which is my hometown.
Yeah, so Judy wasn't there, but this is still a vlog because, you know, camping is not something that a lot of people back home, at least my friends, do. So I only just started camping for the first time here in Japan, and it's amazing. Yeah, check it out. So yeah, that was the video of Lake Matosko in, usually I should just say Lake Matos in Yamanashi. What did you guys think of the video? Let us know in the comment section down below. So that was like my third time camping in Japan. Judy, how many times have you gone camping?
Oh, I've only been camping like twice.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Like, what is camping for you?
I mean, camping is just kind of having that, fire pit going on, hanging out with either friends or family, cooking chicken or cooking anything. Yakisoba, yeah. Cooking it, outside and just having a good time.
Camping is something that you like bond with your family and friends in a different environment, and you get to enjoy the nature. So I like about it. I like that about camping.
Yeah, no, I totally agree. I mean, you get to enjoy nature, and that's not something that we get to enjoy so much. I mean, coming from Rhode Island, not a lot of people are going out there to nature. Not a lot of people are going camping. So the fact that I got to camp out here and it's like survival instincts come out, my like past life comes out and it's like I'm out here making fires and such and keeping a fire going and like, yeah, it's amazing.
By the way, he's a master of fire.
Yeah. But yeah, it was definitely fun, and camping culture out here is real.
Yeah.
You want to talk about that?
Yeah. Do you guys know glamping? It's a short term for camping, glamorous camping. So it's glamping, and it's getting popular in Japan. That it is camping basically, but you get to stay in a luxurious like cottage or like luxurious tent with like
All the amenities.
yeah,
Bed, lamps,
Mhm.
like carpet, floor,
hammock.
as
Yeah.
well. Yeah.
So yeah, it's like stuff like it's furnished already. So it's not really camping, but like people still wanna enjoy staying outside. So like, and then people that is for people who don't like to
Have a tent.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's kind of like fake camping. Yeah. Because it's like they're outside, okay, and they're in a tent technically.
yeah.
But it's like they have all the amenities to feel like you're not really camping.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's a little bit about camping culture here in Japan. I'm glad you guys got to witness the beautiful views. I mean, you got to see Mount Fuji, got to see a little bit how camping is done out here. Definitely gonna be camping a little bit more. It's gonna be some fun times camping.
Yeah.
But that's all the time we have for this episode of Mind Your World. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. Stay tuned in for another special episode next time. As always, promise for you a phrase of the week. This phrase comes special because right now in Japan it's getting really hot. So this phrase of the week is atsui ne.
One more time.
Atsui ne. And atsui means it's hot.
Yeah.
And then you just throw in that ne to kind of make it even special. So it's like, oh my gosh, you see somebody and like, atsui ne. Yeah, cho atsui. It's like, oh, atsui ne. Atsui hoi. Yeah, so there goes your phrase, atsui ne. Try to use it in this hot summer and try to stay cool while you're doing it.
Yeah.
But that's all the time that we have. We're your most illustrious hosts, Ryan,
And Judy.
and we'll see you all next time.
Sayonara.
Sayonara.